Just shout! Just shout! I like it.
Hey, one more thing before we move on. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see some more of my videos. In this video, we're going to cover how to create product demo videos with Placeit.net. Alright, so the one thing we know we want to change is the image because I have a product in mind. Alright, alright, now I have what I got in here. Words-wise, I can change all this text if I want to. I'm just going to leave it the way it is for right now. Alright, I can change the color of the text if I want to. I'm going to leave it the way it is for right now. So I want to look at the video. The site is purple. Alright, so my shapes are purple. My frame is blue. And I can change all of this, every bit of it. I can change everything I want, anything I want here. Alright, but I have everything in there I want. Now, I might want to change my audio, so I'll listen to the audio. Don't like it, so I'll go over here and edit the audio real quick, and I'll find one that I like. What do we got for country? This is a lazy afternoon. Going to Alabama. Kind of like that one, so I'll select that. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to preview my video. Okay, I can add more slides. But this is just the first slide. Now, we have to create the second slide. So I have everything in there I need. Again, I need the custom image to change. Alright, but I might want to use one of these down here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and see what that looks like. Alright, and our last one is here. So I'll upload an image of my logo. I want to brand myself here. So I got to find that. Okay. I want to change this image. Oh, it's over here. Custom image. Add the one we got from earlier. Let's go ahead and change the color of that to a yellow. Or maybe we want to change it to a purple, because our theme is more purple. Yeah, that works out better. Alright. So we have everything in there. We think we like it. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and preview this whole video, all slides. And that's how easy it is to create a product demo video for your website or your social media post or your ads, whatever you want to do with them. They're really simple to create, and if you have a product and you want to make a demo video, Placeit's a really good place to do it. So again, thanks again for watching. Just Sean. I'm out!